we drew the parallels, not just with baboons, but with other non-human primates. And what we see is that the status impact on non-human primates varies with the species, with the way they organize themselves. So baboons, for example, have very clear status hierarchies and markers of ill health that relate to status. Bonobos, the sort of friendly chimpanzees who hug and cuddle and have sex all the time and it's happy time apparently being a bonobo, then status is less clearly related to health outcomes. So it looks like what status means, and in fact Sapolsky and some colleagues looked at 10 different species and they classified them by the frequency with which low status was associated with being subject to stressful interactions. So in other words, if you're in a species where the big guy can really make your life miserable, as distinct from where, the big guy is quite friendly and it doesn't really matter much if you're low status. So the more being low status was associated with threat, the higher the cortisol levels, the stress hormone, and potentially the higher the levels of ill health. So yes, we do see status differentials in non-human primates, but it varies with the kind of organization of the society.
So the role in the hierarchy is more important than income, for instance?
Baboons have no income at all, and they have no access to healthcare. So it's not income, it's not healthcare,
yes,
but it's something about where you are in the hierarchy. And we think the Sapolsky study of saying if you're low in the hierarchy, you're more subject to uncontrollable stressful interactions. Control's an important part of it.